Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Australian Trains by RaySha1811. I generally film trains wherever I go and whenever I can, but today I thought I'd do something different. I do appreciate the fact that you've stopped in. We own a 2019 Hyundai Tuscon. I've recently purchased a set of roof bars and an awning for it. The roof bars for these are available at most automotive shops, but I purchased mine from the Roof Rack Superstore in Geelong, where I found the team super friendly and helpful. The brand and style I chose was Yakima Aero Through Bars. They cost me $395 for the bars and $85 for the fitting kit. That's $480 in total. I have looked at other brands and styles and there isn't a huge amount of difference in pricing no matter where you go. I'm so far very happy with the selection of bar because even with the awning attached, the noise level hasn't increased very much at all, even on the highway. I would like to add here that this is not a paid advert, and all I'm doing is trying to help other Tucson owners or interested folks if they are not sure where to start when selecting roof bars or awnings. The awning that we chose was a XTM branded 2 metre by 3 metre awning from BCF. I got that from Werribee. I got mine on special, possibly half price, I honestly can't recall. Anyhow, the recommended retail price as at the recording of this clip is $339, but they're always on special, so just keep an eye out for them. Again, I get no payment from this by mentioning products, brands or retailers. I'm just trying to make it easy for you. As per the BCF website, the awning has the following features. Mounts to most roof racks and roof baskets using universal L-shaped brackets, which are included. It has 170 GSM ripstop polyester fabric. It has anodized aluminium alloy poles. It has heavy duty PVC storage bag, reinforced flexible nylon knuckles. It runs 2 meters along the vehicle and 3 meters out from the vehicle when extended. It has UPF 50 plus for sun protection. Comes complete with mounting brackets, pegs and corner guy ropes. Its dimension is length 300 by width 200 by height 210 centimeters. As this is my first awning and set of roof bars, I didn't realise, but they do not come with the channel nuts, which I've sourced from TJM in North Geelong for around $11, or the M6 by 15mm screws for the channel nuts. I got the screws from Mitre 10 and I think they cost me just under $5. I'll post a link for everything I've purchased in the description below just to help you out. Now that I have the roof bars on and the awning mounted correctly, it's time to test them out. We've driven to Living Legends near the Melbourne airport so our son can take photos of some of the planes as they arrive or depart. I've asked him to help me set the awning up, as this is the first awning I've owned and I've only had a mate show me briefly how this worked, and that was over 12 months ago. My son is shy, so he's opted to wear a mask today, but that's okay. I appreciate the help. If you notice when we approach the car and undo the zips, it's a bit windy. We undo the Velcro strips that hold the awning to its back plate and then unwind the awning slowly. With smaller awnings you could do that with one person, but because this will come out 3 meters from the car, I've asked for assistance and I'm glad I did. I recommend anybody just doing it with 2 people. After unwinding the awning a bit, you'll notice 2 poles secured in channels within the awning backplate. These poles just pull out, and to extend them, you simply hold one and twist the other gently to loosen it. Extend it to the required length and twist back gently to tighten. Once the awning is fully extended, you will note there are 2 more poles secured in the channel located at the end of the awning. These are the legs and can be gently pulled out with the same twisting motion as the previous 2 poles and can be extended to the required height. The first 2 poles have a locating pin on them, and you will see that the channel has some small locating holes for the poles to slide into, similar to setting up a tent or a caravan annex for those of us that have. Once all the poles are in place, there are pieces of Velcro on the underside of the awning that help secure the awning to the poles. Secure all these and you are almost set up. This particular one has 5 on each side. The awning comes with 2 small guy ropes and 2 tent pegs that can be utilised when the wind is strong. I used the supply guy ropes today, but not the tent pegs. I have used screw-in tent pegs which are spares for my camper annex. As you can see, I'm not the most flexible bloke, so any help is good. The guy ropes are easily attached to the loops, specifically attached to the awning. As you can see in this real-time video, we didn't hurry as we'd not done it before. The setup time was slow and I guess almost methodical, but we got there. It took us just under 6.5 minutes in total. Over time we will get quicker and maybe even do things a bit differently. Do you have any suggestions for improving the process? If so, can you please leave a comment down below? Thank you. And there you have it. Setup is complete. As you can see, we fitted 2 deck chairs comfortably and have room for another and a small table if required. I think perhaps next time I'll get a smaller annex, but I'm happy with the one I've got for now. For pack up, it's just a reverse of the setup. The hardest part for us was getting the edges to stay straight so we could pack it away nicely, but we got there in the end. Thanks to my wife, of course. We're lost without her. Anyhow, I hope this has helped you out in some way, shape or form. I'm happy for you to leave any comments down below and naturally I'll get back to you when I can. Alright guys and girls, cheers, thank you. These are the channels on the backplate that I referred to earlier. The warning instructions are a must read too, as it strongly recommends you utilise the guy ropes in case of unexpected strong winds. The setup instructions are also included, and according to them we did it wrong. I'll know for next time. This is what the underside of the awning will look like when it is set up. Note the backplate with the channels, the velcro pieces to secure the top of the poles, and when your screen appears to freeze, note the location pin and locating hole on the front support channel. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you got something out of this video. Please feel free to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.